Day 4 in Mompox, where wildlife, history, and timeless Colombia meet. Day 4 was spent entirely in Mompox, and it was one of the most complete and rewarding days of the entire itinerary. The day started very early, with a 6 a.m. birdwatching excursion, and it was absolutely worth the early wake-up. The variety of birds was incredible. So many different species, and they were right there, incredibly close. This wasn't distant birding, it felt immersive, like being inside the ecosystem. We also saw iguana and caimans, which really showed how alive and untouched this region still is. Honestly, this morning alone is worth taking this cruise if you're a bird lover. After the excursion, we returned to the ship for breakfast on board, which was very welcome after such an active start to the day. Later in the morning, we headed out again for our guided Mompox exploration by tuk-tuk. This was a fantastic way to see the city while also learning its history. Riding through the narrow streets, we learned about Mompox's role as a major river trading hub and its importance during Colombia's fight for independence. We passed historic churches, colonial homes, plazas, and riverfront areas, all beautifully preserved. Mompox feels frozen in time, and moving through the city this way really lets you observe daily life. Locals sitting in doorways, craftsmen at work, and the quiet rhythm that defines the town. In the afternoon, there was time to enjoy, relax, and take in the views while remaining docked in Mompox. One of the advantages of this itinerary is not feeling rushed. You truly get time in each destination. Day 4 combined nature, history, wildlife, and culture in a way that felt thoughtful and immersive. It's a standout day and a perfect example of why this itinerary is so special.